be showing you how to make vanilla cupcakes. The ingredients that you will be needing is 1 1/3 cup of flour. And put it in. The next ingredient that you will be needing is 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder. The third ingredient that you'll be needing is 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'll put them in. Then you're going to mix all your dry ingredients together. Now we're going to mix all our wet ingredients together. First, you're going to need 1/2 cup of melted butter, that's done, you're going to need 1 cup of sugar. Then 2 large eggs. You're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Vanilla's just the best.
Now 1/2 cup of sour cream. We're going to mix all of our wet ingredients together, and you're going to put it to one if you don't want to explode all over your kitchen. And mix it until it's light and fluffy. After you do that, you're gonna mix your dry ingredients into the wet ingredients while it's stirring. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a measuring cup, that's 1/3, and you're gonna scoop it a lot, and you're gonna put it into the cupcake liner. You're gonna put all of them in. Scoop that back in. Okay, now another one. That was a lot. Okay. Oh shoot, I missed one. Now you're gonna bake these 350 for 18 to 22 minutes. Back again, and what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be using 1 cup of butter, and we're gonna be beating it until it is smooth. This is hard. But next thing that you'll be doing is adding 3 cups of powdered sugar. you're going to be adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla. The next thing that you'll be doing is adding 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. I got a little powdered sugar in it while doing it, so yeah. We're going to combine this. What we're doing is we're going to be mixing until it's well smooth. Half a teaspoon of blue food coloring, powdered blue food coloring, and you can add any color you like. It doesn't have to be perfect, but add your food coloring. What I did is I put my frosting in the bag. I used blue food coloring, and now I put any tip I want, and I wanted this one. You can put any tip that you want to. What you're going to do is you're going to ice your cupcake. And your cupcake should turn out like this, but it doesn't have to be perfect. And now I put all the frosting on the cupcakes. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. You can give any of these cupcakes to your siblings, like your, I don't know, but you like your siblings,
your parents, anything.
Well, please subscribe to my channel and post a notification to get notified when I post new videos.